Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Zelle for in-store purchases, follow these step-by-step instructions to use this convenient payment method at participating retailers. Step 1. Verify that your bank or credit union supports Zelle. Most major financial institutions in the United States have integrated Zelle into their mobile banking apps. Step 2. Open your bank's mobile app on your smartphone. Make sure you have the latest version of the app installed for the best functionality. Step 3. Navigate to the Zelle section within your banking app. This is usually found in the Payments or Transfers menu. Step 4. If you haven't enrolled in Zelle yet, follow the prompts to register. You'll need to provide your email address or mobile phone number. Step 5. Verify your enrollment by entering the code sent to your email or phone. This confirms your identity and links Zelle to your account. Step 6. Check if your bank supports Zelle for in-store payments. Note that, as of now, Zelle primarily functions for person-to-person payments, with limited merchant acceptance. Step 7. At participating retailers, look for Zelle payment options at checkout. You may need to provide your registered email or phone number. Step 8. Confirm the payment in your banking app when prompted. The transaction should process quickly, typically within minutes, and you'll receive confirmation on your phone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.